Now we will introduce to you our 100-watt portable laser cleaning machine, which weighs 28 kg and has a portable trolley case design. The machine adopts an integral injection molded shell. Open the case. Here is a 5 meters length armored cable. This is the cleaning head. This is the handheld control card. This is the second field lens equipped. These are laser protective glasses and laser power cord. The equipment uses 220 tile AC power supply. Here is the power plug. This is the main power switch. This is the emergency stop button and 2 signal lights. After the device is powered on, turn on the main power switch. The steady green light indicates that the equipment is operating normally. The red light is on when the laser emits light. The use of handheld card. Turn on the power of the handheld card to pair the laser source. Set the corresponding parameters, and then use it. Put on the laser protective glasses, and after setting them up, you can start preparing for the light. Lightly press the light button to emit red light. We will find there is a big red square and a small red square, and a red dot moves up and down. When the red dot is in the middle of the small red square, you can start to emit light.